Alex with Tucker, and in this video we're going to talk about our updated Ultimate Residential Kit, now featuring our Rival V2 version. To find out more information about the Rival V2, please check out Sean's video. The video will be linked in the description below. As with all our RODI systems, we include not only the filters that come with it, so your pre-filter, your RO membrane, and your DI, but we'll include the extra pre-filter and post-filter, your DI. Just so you're aware, we actually have both of these, one to be used as soon as you get the system and one for later. These are sealed, kept separate to maintain your freshness of your DI resin. As we go on into the rest of the kit, we're going to next take a look at our 150-foot Tucker hand carry hose reel. This will be used at the DI, and then you'll take this and you'll be able to connect your female quick connect, your male quick connect, and it goes into your 100 foot of 5/16 pole tubing. So this will give you a total of 250 feet that you can work away from your system. So that's your 3/8 hose line and your 5/16 pole tubing. Next in the kit, we also include a ball valve, a 5/16 ball valve. What do you use this for? Well, you can put this in, splice it in line. Most people like to put it after the largest pole, maybe a few feet. That way they can fully extend the pole. Or they might also put it at the brush head. And this way you can shut off your water in case you need to readjust something or you need to stop cleaning windows. You don't have to go back to the system or the spigot to shut off your water flow. Next, we have our water-fed poles. You get two in this kit. This way you have the option, if you're working on a tall residential home, say a 2-story with a walkout, you get your Tucker water-fed pole 30 foot. Additionally, you get the Tucker Junior. This has a 15-foot reach. That way, if you have a residential house that is only 1 story, you can just grab the lighter pole and go to work with that. Next, we have some of the brush and pole accessories. So you'll get 2 goosenecks with your kit. This is your locked gooseneck with your quick release. So you'll put this into your pole, lock it into place, select the brush that you would like to use, simply snap it into place, get your pole, your hose tubing connected together, and then most likely you'll have your red pole tubing go up through here and connect to there. In this kit, we offer 3 of these brushes plus your alpha scrubber. So what are the differences? Your first one that we have here is our Tucker hybrid. So what is a hybrid? It's a nylon on the outside, boar hair in the center. This will allow you to have the speed of the nylon brush that it can give you as you're going up and down the glass, but also a little more aggressive scrub with the inner boar hair. What if you run into dirtier windows? Well, you'll take out that brush, and your next choice is our Tucker boar hair. This comes equipped with 4 pencil jets. What you need to do is connect this new 5-way fitting that we have. And so this is full boar hair. And what this will do is provide a better scrub power with it. This is something you'll use on cleans that haven't been done in a fairly long time, or they just have excess dirt built up. Another brush that we have recently brought to the market is our Tucker Glide brush. This is a brush that's great for all types of cleans. And how is that possible? Well, it's a synthetic material. So it's great for first time clean and also those infrequent cleans. So it's been compared to a boar hair brush without any of the negative side effects of boar hair. What are those? Well, with boar hair, you would notice on a cleaner glass, it's going to drag more. Hence the name, Tucker Glide. It will glide across the glass. And it also has similar scrubbing power to the boar hair without any of those negative things such as shedding, or it won't wear as fast as the boar hair. Next, we have our Alpha Scrubber. Another brush that many of our residential cleaners like to use due to its nice polyester pad that could aid in scrubbing on windows, also can be used on solar panels. I'm going to slide this one back in to highlight the next feature that we include in our Ultimate Residential Kit, and that is the mini scrubber. Here you use it on our what we call the reach around Acme thread adapter. And what is that for? So in case you run into windows that are extra soiled, perhaps baked in debris, bird droppings, what have you, you can wet the glass as normal, scrub, agitate, and then flip around and use your walnut pad to scrub right onto that baked on debris, break it up, and then return to cleaning as normal. Next, what comes with the kit are your Acme tip, and then you can screw on a wood cone as well. And this way you can have, if you have your T-bar or your squeegees, say you got some high interior work, you can slip those on there. This is friction fit, so your T-bar or your squeegees will not fall off. Also included in the kit is your Tucker swivel gooseneck and rinse bar. What are these for? Well, you can change any of these brushes into a Tucker Alpha brush by removing your brush socket, putting this in its place, and then putting your swivel gooseneck on top of it. And it'll just work like this. So there you have it. Everything that's included in our new Ultimate Residential Kit. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us or any of your local distributors. Thank you and have a great day.